Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So me to baddal kolli te kutinna lesson ne kushala ibutun so lipad me lesson na ki price elasticity of supply. emme frottama balana learning objectives. Me lesson nime iruga tikudinna hasilwan jehene maganu kantatta. එගොතම ප්‍රථම define price elasticity of supply. You need to define the definition of PES. Calculate the price elasticity of supply. You need to calculate using formula price elasticity of supply. Interpret price elasticity of supply figures. Draw and interpret supply curves to show different price elasticity of supply. You need to draw different curves. Explore the determinants of price elasticity of supply and implication of price elasticity of supply for decision making by producers, consumers, and the government. First, we'll look at the definition of PES, that is responsiveness of quantity supply due to changes in price. Price anganna balleki sabu supply quantity supply respond kurani kiyawarettu. Price elasticity of supply calculate using this formula, that is percentage changes in quantity supply divided by percentage changes in price. emme frattama jehani percentage changes in quantity supply hoda. එගොත percentage changes in quantity supply hodaga me innani den jegin line ga ei new quantity supply minus original quantity supply divided by original quantity into 100. Percentage changes in prices හොදාගෙන එතන substitute formula substitute කරවෙන්නේ. එහෙනම් percentage changes in price හොදානි new price minus original price divided by original price into 100. Then මේ formula බේනුකොගේ example එක calculate කොල්ලවෙත බලමංග. ඒකතුම් first example, the price of baked beans increased from 40 pence per tin to 50 pence per tin. The quantity supplied increased from 1000 tins per week to 1500 tins per week. So first I'm writing the formula PES is equal percentage changes in quantity supplied divided by percentage changes in the price. So we need to calculate first percentage changes in quantity supply. Percentage changes in quantity supply we used to calculate first is new quantity supply. New quantity supply is 1500 and the original quantity supplied is 1000 tins and divided by original is 1000 into 100, so it is answer is 50%. Same like this you need to calculate the price even. Price is some egota calculate kuranje percentage changes for the. Now the percentage changes in price calculate kura first you need to know new price aki kiyawareka. New price means 40 pence per tin to 50 pence. 50 mean new price minus old price aki 40 pence divided by 40 pence into 100. So the answer will be 25. Then me whole percentage changes in quantity supply, percentage changes in price, me formula substitute kurima PES is equal 50 by 25, so answer will be 2. So next we are seeing the different types of price elasticity of supply. So first one is elastic supply when PES is equal greater than 1. Supply elastic මෙවැනි calculate කිරීම PES එකක වරෙන් බොඩුවඤ්ඤා less than infinity. So we can say that when percentage changes in quantity supply is greater than the percentage changes in price. You can even see from the diagram the percentage changes in quantity supply is greater than the percentage changes in price. So the answer will be more than 1. And even though you can see the supply curve, in order to identify the PES is elastic, the supply curve is more like shallow curve. PES elastic curve වෙද්දියම් supply curve ඉන්නන්නේ මොකද shallow curve. Then inelastic supply means when PES is less than 1 but greater than 0. When percentage changes in quantity supply is less than the percentage changes in price. Percentage changes in quantity supply මදේ percentage changes in price වලින්. Diagram බලලා space බලලා පෙන්නන quantity supply is less but that big changes in price. When you calculate, the answer will be 0 to 1, less than 1. And the curve look like more steep curve. Inelastic supply with GM curve is steep curve. And the answer will be in between 0 to 1. 1 ki less than 1 ne 0 වර මැච්චි. हमें गोता बलादा आयरोग मिसालක answer आई 0.2. 0.2 is more inelastic than 0.7. Then perfectly elastic supply, or we can say infinitely it is elastic when PES is infinity. We can see on the diagram pound for the price is pound for and the supply is like infinity to go. So the changes in price will cause an infinite changes in supply. PES is infinity. This is mainly on very competitive markets, so farm will supply at given price always. So the answer will be always infinity. Perfectly inelastic supply. Perfectly inelastic supply, we say that this curve is more straight curve, and quantity supply does not alter with the price change. Price कितने वरक change yes, quantity supply change नोवा तीवे मी perfectly inelastic supply curve कवनी. मिसालක බුණඤ්ඤාම cinema ticket price increase වෙනවා මිසක 4 5 6 pound වගේ එකමක seating arrangements will be very limited. माने कि in short run producer එක seating extended නොකරවෙන්නේ in short run ගේ price එකමක ticket ගේ price කිතරකස් මච්ච නිගාදා එකමක supply will be limited in short run. But in long run they can extend their seats, or they can build develop more seats for more customers. So PES, when you calculate PES, it will be 0. Then next one is unitary elastic supply. So the answer will be PES is equal to 1. So changes in price will cause an equal percentage changes in supply. Price quantity supply change wani evvaraka, and the straight line goes through the origin माने कि price quantity या मीठा point 0 में बेची करने विकाव अबदवेस then PES will be 1. In these slides I will explain the determinants of price elasticity of supply. So it mainly 3 points over here. First one is time taken to produce. Long time to make a product, it is expensive to change production, the supply will be elastic. Misalaka a product produce kura iruga a supply badal kura change kura da agu body kawanya meche vani a product inelastic supply. Ekamuko cost of altering supply is lower means it will be more elastic because they can use their spare capacity in order to expand their production. Manaki ane beenunna konko factors of production the beenu kogin emiunna supply kurevidane consumer respond balaya. And manufactured products are more elastic than agriculture products. Otherwise agriculture products meanani inelastic demand ඒ බොඩ time period බලා ඒ සාලක බුණඤ්ඤම් තරුකාරී නුනිය මේවා කුල්ලියක හද්දම් බේනුවෙන්ජම් වරම් උඳගවාන ඒ ගස් මිසාලක ඇපල් බලමු ඇපල් ගහෙන් හද්දම් බේනුවෙන්ජම් ගින දවස් නගා එමෙ ඇපල් production the time period will be more longer manufactured good cover manufactured good vejjam machineries echi benu koggen avaha ridane ekamaku agriculture product ten ofaddam benu vejjam meya mara time benuma ne vejjam in long run ge it will be elastic but in short run it will be inelastic. Then the next one is the feasibility of storing. Industry is storing large stock of its products. The quantity supply can be adjusted relatively changes in the price. We have industry stock nuniyam modal ginadu harakka kurave jage capacity gotiyam consumer respond badang emiyunna it will be more elastic evu supply kurevidane stock evara huriyam nunya stock reve jag huriyam. In other words we can say they can change cost of supply or cost of altering supply is low, they can produce when consumer demand is there, when there is any changes in the responsiveness of consumer. So what supply here do is if they have stock or storing capacity means when the demand falls they will be taken some products from the market and they can be stored. Then the cost of altering supply, if the cost of altering supply as I mentioned before is low, the supply will be more elastic because they can change as consumer wants, and the supply will be more elastic, so if they need they can change the supply cheaper. Farm can use their spare capacity employ more resources. So benu nokomu resource the benu koge emihunna itara ufedidane ufedun tarika ituru puravidane. Then next slide me badalani usefulness of PES, consumer ke benefits are, producers ke benefits are, then government one konka benefit etto එම ප්‍රථම consumers ke benefit බලා ඉරුග benefit by supplying being elastic අපොද consumer me benefit wani supply elastic waraga. So if supply is elastic the quantity supply will be rise as a greater percentage changes in the price. අපොද price avana boda supply turuwane medium අපොද supply me kurani price base ko producer medium when quantity supply will be rise greater than the price means consumers will be benefited cheap price. Producers bada me fayda wani supply elastic bi waraka ඒ producers අපද produce කරන්නේ consumer ගේ demand බලයි ඒ වෙද්දියාම consumer when there is more demand there will be more supply and they can sell more products so they can achieve high profits මුණ ගිනා වික්කේ වරක sales increase වරක profits මතිවාන then government what benefit me government me helpful nunia usefulness me government eba fasehawe farms taka subsidies kaji they so it encourages output of consumption of a product they are more successful giving subsidy to producers if supply is elastic mura elastic waraka government easy subsidy usefulness or successful subsidy they use variety of policy measures to promote flexibility in production government adi sort of magfahive nune pasehata ve mihunge law making laws or making policy measures in order to for farms to hire labor or fire labor so in order to implement those measures it will be easy for government when they know when price elastic supply. So I will see the four-part questions, mainly these four questions I have taken from the course book with four-part questions as you can try now. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you.